Hi YouTube, I assist you here featuring my friend Batchmex6 over there playing with God only knows what. Alright, so that's not the point. What I've got for you is one of my unboxings. One of my things here is here. So, here we go. I got a new pocket knife. It's very nice and shiny. I'm very hyper today. I just stopped it. What? Good. Alright, so, I know what this is. So, you don't. So, neither do you now. Or Batchmex. Yeah. What are you doing? Alright. Matt, what are you doing?
You suck at this.
No, I don't. You suck. I have to get the scissors out. Hang on.
Hi world.
Entertain them!
Slash America.
Slash.
Subscribe.
Yay.
Because you won't die if you don't.
Wait, what? You won't die if you don't. You will die if you don't. Sorry. He's a little slow at this. Scissors aren't working either. Alright, you know what?
My voice, yeah.
Yeah,
First video sort of thing, yeah.
Ignore him.
Hi world.
Ignore him, I said! Alright. Almost done. Hey, what are you doing? Okay.
Yeah,
what?
let's make another copy of this.
Oh, that's
This is our practice.
Leave that.
This is our practice.
Wow. Alright. Okay, there we go. That sounded really weird. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so it's time to unbox or unwrap or whatever. Skull candies.
The box
Finally.
is over here.
Matt,
What? Oh.
the Skull Candy Float Riders, and they're really nice, so I'll have a review on these soon. Pardon my idiotic friend. Bye.